When I created the Divi 5 Mastery course, the promise was I was going to be adding lessons each and every time to make this course the best course on Divi 5 ever. So as Divi is adding new features, this will also be added to the course at no extra cost. So far, we have 619 students that are taking the Divi 5 Mastery course, which is awesome. And today I'm really excited because I have added 10 more lessons. So now instead of having 18 lessons, there's now 28 lessons. And we won't stop there. We're going to be adding more and more lessons and more examples, like I said, to make this course really, really awesome. So how much is it? You may be asking. Well, it is only going for $27. So once the course is pretty much complete, it is going to be $47. But you can sign up right now and get it for $27, which means when this course is updated, you don't have to, add or pay more extra to this course. The 27 covers you for any other lessons that are going to be added onto this course. This is your quickest way of mastering Divi, because as you know, Divi has been designed from the ground up. The interface is totally different. There's also a lot of hidden features which are very, very powerful. And instead of wasting so much time trying to find out where these features are and how to apply them, why not invest $27? Only $27, and you will have access to 28 lessons, and more is coming, as I mentioned. All you have to do is head over to the link I'll provide in the video description below. And also, if you're not a Divi 5 member on Divi University, go ahead and sign up and join the community. This is a community of Divi users. Go ahead and be part of the community. I thought I'll just give you a quick update just to let you know what is happening. So see you very soon. Take care.